All right, team, I've got a fun one for you today. We're going to be talking about colon cleansing slash colonics. Now, for those of you who don't know, a colonic is generally when you have another human take a tube and fire about 16 gallons of water into your rectum. Could also be coffee. We could fire coffee into your rectum, or teas. And the proponents for this believe that they are cleansing their colon and removing waste. And they believe that it can help with blood pressure, arthritis, help boost immunity, remove toxins. All of this is untrue. Just summarily false, no evidence to suggest it, complete baloney, not the truth. So I thought I would pull some of the potential side effects because that is very real. And I'm citing the Mayo Clinic, okay? Because when the haters crawl out of the woodwork, you don't know anything. Well, I take it up with the Mayo Clinic and every other credible source of medical information online. So potential concerns with colon cleansing include dehydration, a tear in the rectum, infection, a change in your electrolyte balance, which can be dangerous if you have kidney or heart disease or other health problems. In some cases, people who've gotten coffee enemas have died. No. If you choose to try colon cleansing, take these precautions. Check with your conventional medical provider first, especially if you take any medications or have any health problems such as kidney disease or heart disease. Make sure your colon cleansing practitioner is reputable and uses disposable equipment. I mean, dear God, let's hope so. Get a list of specific herbal ingredients and amounts in any colon cleansing product you use, as some ingredients can cause health problems. Okay. This is a no. So colon cleansing does not help you lose weight. It does not cure any health ailment. It has nothing but potential negative downsides. There's no positives whatsoever. You do not detox your body with colonics. You do not remove waste with colonics. This is all bull, all crap, not true. And the only time you would ever need all crap. Did you get that? It wasn't really pun intended. The only time you'd ever need one is if you're preparing for a medical procedure like a colonoscopy and your medical professional or doctor with a medical degree recommends it. This was quick. It was 3 minutes. It didn't even need to be long. It was just... Who chooses coffee? Like, if you're gonna put something up your butt, like, I would think you're worried, I would automatically choose water. I mean, if you're a liquid up, I can't. We're just gonna stop. Okay, team, don't forget, I created this channel just for you guys. So click like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to hear more about. If it's diet, fitness, wellness, mindfulness, I'm here for you. So give me your feedback.